Welcome. If you've ever wanted to use Discord in a different language on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the language in Discord Mobile with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're learning a new language or just want to use Discord in your native tongue, this quick guide will help you switch things up in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, it's time to scroll down until you find the option labeled language. This section might be a little further down, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Once you see language, tap on it to open up the list of available languages. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the languages that Discord supports. Simply browse through the list and select your preferred language. As soon as you tap on your choice, Discord will automatically update the app's language to the one you selected. There's no need to restart the app. Your changes will take effect instantly, and that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Discord Mobile. Now you can enjoy chatting, gaming, and connecting with your friends in the language that feels most comfortable to you. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these simple steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tips. Let us know in the comments which language you switched to, or if you have any other Discord questions. See you in the next video.